Once upon a time, in a little village, there was a girl named Lina. She had two best friends, Benny and Mia. They loved to play together every day after school. One sunny afternoon, Lina, Benny, and Mia decided to plant a garden. Lina loved the idea of having beautiful flowers to admire. They each picked a spot, planted their seeds, and watered them with care. Lina was so excited. Every morning, she would rush to her garden to see if the flowers had grown. But day after day, there was nothing but dirt. Lina began to feel frustrated. Why aren't my flowers growing, Benny? Lina asked one day, stamping her foot.